okay, Nature Cat. Everyone makes mistakes. I mean, at least he's not in the ocean. I mean, that would be the worst thing that could happen. I mean, if he was in the ocean, I would be really worried right now.
Hal, we've been down this river before, and it actually does lead to the ocean.
Huh? What? The ocean? Wait, you mean like the ocean? Oh, no!
Wait a minute. So Chewinski goes to the ocean along with all that nasty, garbagey stuff that went down the storm drain with him? It's too much for my tiny brain!
Oh, we have to get him back!
I see him! Come on, gang! Let's follow that chew toy! Tally-ho!
Hate to break it to you, man. We gotta get in the water.
Water? Why it has to be water? I'll do it for my best friend and to make up for my mistake. Let's go! Onward and let's get Chewinski word. Tally-ho!
Why are you floating away from me, Mr. Chewinski? It's me, Hal! And it's our anniversary! Come back here!
Mr. Chewinski isn't trying to float away from you. He's being carried by the river's current.
Oh, a current. Okay, that makes total sense. Just one quick question. What is a current?
It's the flow of the water. Watch what happens when we stop paddling. See?
Wait a tick. We're still moving. What gives?
Yeah, the river's current is carrying us just like it's carrying Mr. Chewinski.
Yeah, along with all that other garbage.
Oh, we gotta keep paddling! Chewinski's getting farther away!
Yes, yes! Paddle! 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 Guys, have you noticed that things are getting a little bumpy here?
The water's moving faster!
Mr. Chewinski just fell down a waterfall!
Oh, poor Mr. Chewinski!
I'm sorry. If Mr. Chewinski went down a waterfall, does that mean that we're all going down a waterfall?
Oh, we made it!
And I see Mr. Chewinski ahead!
Things are looking up! Nothing can stop us now! We'll save you, Squeaks! Aha! Buzz off, Bud.
It's good to be back.
But look! There's the ocean! We can't let Mr. Chewinski be out there all alone! You know he's afraid of jellyfish! Hey! Current! Stop! It's me, Hal! You stop it right now, Current!
I'm sorry, Hal, but nothing can stop the currents.
No! Mr. Chewinski! Mr. Chewinski!
Look at that. It's the same garbage. It's been following us all day. Girl. Oh, I'm a mad mouse.
You're right, Squeaks. tracks. It looks like our storm drain garbage joined up with a lot of other garbage, and it all ends up here, in the ocean.
Oh, that is so much pollution.
You guys, after we rescue Chewinski, we gotta get home. We gotta spread the word about garbage and storm drains. It shall not stand.
Agreed. But for now, we are surrounded on all sides by water everywhere.
Major Cat, it's okay. We're in a raft. You're not wet.
Huh? Yes, right. Thank you. There's just no side that didn't have water. I lost my head for a moment. But I'm not wet, and I'm not going to get wet. Yes, we will get Mr. Chewinski and get back to dry land as quickly as possible.
But where's Mr. Chewinski? You don't think the jellyfish got him, do you?
Don't you worry, Hal. Nature Cat, will find Mr. Chewinski.
I know you will, Nature Cat.
Hi. You do?
Sure, you always keep your promises.
Aww.
That's right, Hal. Thank you. I'm coming for you, Mr. Chewinski, but of course not coming into the water for you. I will just come towards you without getting wet at all.
Oh no! I've lost Mr. Chewinski's signal! Houston!
Roger that, ma'am. No signal on my end as well, ma'am. I'll keep trying to get it back. Houston out.
Well, how will we find him?
Well, the river's current and then the ocean's current carried Chewinski and ourselves to where we are now. Do you think perhaps we should stop paddling and just go with the flow?
Yeah, that's what Mr. Chewinski's doing.
Yeah, he rolls like that, just goes with the flow. Very chill guy.
Hey, yeah! And then the current will push us, and maybe we'll both end up at the same place!
Well, then let's go with the flow and ride the current, baby.
What was that? Did anybody see that? Oh, Nature Cat, it was just your imagination. Guys, do you see that? Huh?
See what?
Was it Mr. Chewinski?
Oh my gosh, look at that, a sea turtle. I've always wanted to see one up close.
Oh, yeah! We met a desert tortoise once! Oh, how I'd love to meet a sea turtle! I love turtles.
No, it wasn't the sea turtle I saw, which you are beautiful by